The father of a San Jose infant who died of an opioid overdose faced a judge today, while the baby's family looks for answers as to how this could have happened. But the county is on the hot seat now after admitting that police and Child Protective Service workers had responded to multiple calls at that very apartment. NBC Bay Area's Hilda Gutierrez spoke with family members, and she was in court when father made his appearance.
According to the Santa Clara County District Attorney's Office, 3-month-old Phoenix Castro, whose body was found in an apartment littered with opioids back in May, died of a fentanyl overdose. Today, the baby's maternal grandmother and uncle faced the victim's father in court.
Today we came to support the death of my two indigenous relatives, Emily De La Cerda and baby Phoenix.
Phoenix's father, David Anthony Castro, is charged with child neglect and possession of a controlled substance. The baby's mother, Emily De La Cerda, was not home at the time of the incident and died of an overdose in the same apartment last month, according to prosecutors.
Somebody dropped the ball, and they need to pick up the tab for it. You know, whether it was social services, regardless, somebody has to be held accountable, because we did our damnedest to keep Emily sober.
Santa Clara County officials have acknowledged law enforcement officers and Child Protective Services had made multiple visits to the family before baby Phoenix OD'd and never removed the child from the home. They're now asking the state to investigate the county's own Child Protective Services role in the baby's death.
CPS, they should have never let him take that kid. How in the hell did he... So who dropped the ball?
The DA's office said at the apartment they found fentanyl, broken glass pipes, and an aluminum foil next to a baby bottle. Neighbors and friends also told us they regularly saw police and CPS workers at the home prior to the death. Castro's bail hearing is set for November 7th. According to this police investigation, David Anthony Castro was the sole caregiver of the baby at the time she died. He was also the person who called 911 and was administering CPR when officers arrived. Hilda Gutierrez, NBC Bay Area News.
Okay, thank you, Hilda.